Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm super excited to be introducing you to this two-bedroom property here on Cesar Chavez, on a very quiet area of Cesar Chavez. You go one flight of stairs and you're introduced to this foyer area, which goes to the various rooms. So let's start with going into the living room, shall we? Here you're confronted with double pane, huge windows with window treatments and bench seating. Again, you have built-in cabinets, fireplace, gas fireplace. There is a TV available if you wish to keep that. Again, these are wonderful bay windows that you get to enjoy. There's a bicycle parking right outside. So the city has a program where they have public parking, bicycle parking spots that you can, secure a pass and rent the bikes. Again, this is the bedroom. This is the one true bedroom. You got a big walk-in closet here. Lots of room for storing your clothes, personal items. Again, window treatments on each of these double pane windows. Bench seating. Nice feature here, saves space, is a pocket door that can be then closed. Now, here we have another walk-in closet. Good for coats, shoes, as you walk up the stairs. Now, this is the flex room. Now, technically, this is a dining room. This is right off the kitchen. You have your cabinets for dishes. You have shelving space along the rim here, so you can put traditionally plates or pitchers and such. Wood flooring, all wood paneling. All wood paneling on the walls, and you have the two French doors that will completely close, and if you want more privacy, you can utilize the curtains there. But some people have used this room as a bedroom, and that's why we call this a converted two-bedroom. If you so desire to use it that way, owners are very open for that to happen. As we enter this kitchen area, you can see there's a large space that can also be used for a dining room area. And then you have an open concept kitchen, which, again, another skylight above. Stainless appliances, lots of cabinetry space. Holy cow, there's so much cabinetry space. It's crazy. Dishwasher, garbage disposal, and a really nice Zoe range here for cooking up all your delectables. One of the really nice features about this property is looking out this window, and you have this beautiful manicured garden and huge palm tree. The fronds are a little wilted right now, but usually they have those cut up nicely, and so it's usually nice and green. Again, a really super light-filled property. And here we have the bathroom. Tub shower combination, tile backsplash, and lots of lighting. Again, a very bright, spacious floor plan. It also has a garage, laundry. We'll be getting to that in the pictures of the listing. All right, if you're interested in this property, give us a call. I would love to hear from you and introduce you to the property and give you a tour. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.